Today we're taking a walk on the skywalk. We were able to see these are the 9 elephants that walk down the river every day. This is where they come, they walk up, and they spend the day here at the skywalk. Our visitors can come and see them from above. This elephant's name right here is TikTok, and she was rescued during COVID, and someone on TikTok raised the money that was needed to rescue her. So that's how she got her name, TikTok. She's very curious of us standing up on the skywalk. This one's a diva. And look at how she stands and she's eating. She has her back left leg kicked back. A few minutes ago, she had her back left legs crossed and her front right leg like in a pointed position. So she's got a little diva in her. And she's pretty wide. We were asking if she was pregnant or not. She's not pregnant. She's just fat. So she's just a chubby diva, and she owns it. Right, girl? Yeah, see? She's got her front right paw bent up while she's eating. I guess that one way out there is not hungry. I wonder why these ones are just waiting. Talk about family style buffet. There he came down, the last one. Family style buffet right here. Wow, that brown one right there is big. It's a big one. These are all rescues, just like the elephants. They're all rescues. So this is called Cat Kingdom. And you just come in here and you can just hang out with the cats. And you just let them approach you. Hello, baby. So let's walk around Cat Kingdom. What do you think? It is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful how they take care of this place. Look at how beautiful this is. It's like the perfect meditation spot right there with the fountain and you just literally come in here when you're volunteering. You can come in here and you can just sit with the cats. But I wanted to get some video of how beautiful this is first. They all have little huts. I mean, look at how beautiful this is. It's like a fancy garden. You're friendly, huh? And they take old tires and paint them and have baskets. And hi, baby. Hi. Yeah, come on over. There's a whole bunch of us in here to pet you. Isn't this amazing?